Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got another fun Dollar Tree DIY for us, and we're going to be doing a pair of glam but modern candle holders. And so what you'll need is you're going to need a pair of these little glass candle holders here. You're going to need one of these plastic silver napkin rings, a pair of these candle votive holders. You're going to need some hot glue. Now you can use some hot glue. You can also use some tacky glue with this as well. Or you can even use E6000. You're going to need scissors, some diamond wrap, tape. I'm going to be using either this silver craft paint or perhaps this silver spray paint. I haven't decided yet. And then you're going to need some of these gemstones that you can pick up at Dollar Tree, or you can pick these up at Walmart on a sheet. And then I just have some extra gemstones here which I may or may not use. We'll see. And these are all peel and stick. And these are the items that you're going to need to create the modern glam candle holders. So let's get started. So I'm just going to get started painting off, taping off a pattern on this glass here. And it can be any pattern that you like, just to give it a modern look. Okay, so everything is all nicely taped off. And again, there's no right or wrong. You can tape whatever pattern you want on here. Just try and keep in mind that you want them to be modern, so you want kind of a geometric pattern, but whatever you like. And I'm going to go ahead and take these out, and I'm going to spray them with silver spray paint. And then I am going to come back in and show you guys the pattern on this, and then we'll get these candle holders assembled. Okay, so I have removed the tape, and this is how the candle holders are looking. Aren't they gorgeous? They're gorgeous just like this, but of course we're going to go ahead and we're going to add some of these gemstones to this. And we're going to be adding some gemstones along the edge here of the paint, along these painted edges here, these bands. We're going to be putting some gemstones there. Okay, and here's the pair of candle holders here, and they've both got the gemstones added along the edges of the painted areas, which really enhance it. And so now what I'm going to do is I've got these two candle holders here that have been painted on the inside, and so I'm just going to turn them upside down like this, and I'm going to be using hot glue to glue this on. Now if you want to make this a permanent bond, you can use E6000, but I'm just going to add just a dollop of hot glue here, just like that, and then I'm just going to put this right in the center. Just like that. Isn't that gorgeous? That's going to be beautiful. And for this one here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this ring, napkin ring, and I'm going to hot glue the napkin ring to this base as well. So I'm just going to take just a little bead of hot glue, just like that, and go all the way around. And then I'm going to put this into position like so. And just sit this one right on top and center it. Now you can also use E6000 for this to make it a permanent bond. Isn't that gorgeous? So you have a nice pair of graduated candle holders. Okay, so I have to confess I can't leave well enough alone, so I'm going to add some diamond wrap to the base of this one. Just because I can't leave well enough alone, but you don't have to do this if you don't want to. But I couldn't resist. But isn't that gorgeous? I just love these. Just gorgeous. So now, let's get started decorating with them. I will link this DIY tray video in the iCards above for those of you who missed this tray. Well, there you have it, guys. A simple, beautiful glam DIY project. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. I'd like to thank each of you for stopping by Cozy Casita. You're always welcome. If you like these kinds of DIYs, share them with your friends. And also, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.